This robot just replaced 10 humans in a single shift. And no, this isn't sci-fi. Welcome to your new coworker, made of metal, not mood swings. Welcome to the Respawn Tech, where I break tech down before it breaks your job. Today, humanoid robots are no longer coming, they're here, and they're clocking in. Meet Tesla's Optimus, Figure 01, and Boston Dynamics Atlas. They walk, they talk, kinda, and yeah, they don't need lunch breaks. Seriously, this guy does backflips while you're still finding Wi-Fi. Amazon warehouses, car factories, even hospitals. Humanoid robots are sliding into jobs like it's LinkedIn with legs. One robot replaced 10 workers in 48 hours. No drama, no HR complaints. Terrifying. They're learning fast, like scary fast. Hilarious. One robot tried to open a door and punched it instead. So yeah, they might take over, but at least they'll trip doing it. The question isn't if robots will take jobs, it's how many and when. Will they replace your boss? Or will you be the robot's boss? Subscribe now, because next week I ask, can AI fire you before you even get hired? Comment robot if you've ever wanted a coworker who doesn't talk too much. And hey, before the robots subscribe for you, click that button first.